Good morning, girls. In the last session of yesterday, I gave you the summary of the new chapter from the text Prelude. In continuation with the summary, today in this session, you will come to know about the chapter's beginning. I have divided this chapter again, like the first chapter, into some points so that through that sub points you will come to know about the story, how it is dealing by the Gandhiji, and how he has narrated his number of experiences of London. If I am not wrong, then I told you about the story. The story is entitled as Playing the English Gentleman. Playing the English Gentleman, it is taken, just to remind you, from the experiences of his own self, and he has narrated these experiences as an autobiography, in the autobiography of the truth on his experiments, the experiments of my truth. That was the title of his autobiography, and he discussed about his own experiences, that he has seen this injustice, this self-identity crisis, the color discrimination, an ample of experiences he narrated. He also wrote about Ahimsa and Satya in his autobiography. Now, coming on to the topic, that here about the story, if I say, then this story starts with Gandhiji's belief about vegetarianism. In this essay, if I am not wrong, yesterday I also told you that it's an essay. This essay is about his habit, his behavior, his identity crisis, and ultimately he realized, that we will see later on. Now, the essay starts with his habit of vegetarianism, that how he was having a belief on vegetarianism. ગઈકાલે મેં તમને જ્યારે વાત કરી હતી, રાઈટ, that Gandhiji's faith in vegetarianism, how it was developed. સૌથી પહેલાં એમને એવા પુસ્તકો વાંચવાનું ચાલુ કર્યું. એ પુસ્તકોના અભ્યાસથી એને એવો અહેસાસ થયો, હી રિયલાઇઝડ, કે ખરેખર શાકાહારી થવું એ ખૂબ સારી આવડત છે, કે શાકાહારીપણું કેળવવું, દેટ ઇઝ વેજીટેરિયનિઝમ. ઇન હિઝ ઓન સેલ્ફ, that was the kind of belief generated after reading so many books on vegetarianism philosophy. Let us start the essay. Gandhiji was becoming more stronger in adopting the art of vegetarianism. શું કામ એ વધારે સ્ટ્રોંગ થતા હતા? Because of his habit of developing this as a usual for his day-to-day regular life, and at a result he was becoming more stronger in adopting this particular art. It was a result of his reading books on vegetarianism. As I told you, કે એને ઘણા બધા પુસ્તકોનો અભ્યાસ કર્યો, એને જોયું કે આ કળા ખરેખર અજમાવા જેવી છે. He also adopted this as a diet, and that took remarkable change in his life, and he tried to implement in his own self. He has actually adopted this as his diet. He considered health as the principal issue to experiment for. It is said, girls, that health is wealth. તમે તમારી હેલ્થનું ધ્યાન રાખશો તો તમે સારું જીવન જીવી શકશો. So he said, like, one has to definitely consider health as the principal element in one's own life. So it is adopted by him. Now, as I told you, that I have divided this particular essay into certain slides. these slides will give you an idea that what is happening in the essay one by one. The events are narrated by me one by one. ગાંધીજી જ્યારે લંડનમાં ગયા હતા પોતાના લોના અભ્યાસ માટે, એ દરમિયાન એને ઘણા બધા અનુભવો થયા. એન્ડ ધેટ ample of experiences, in one of the experiences he found an outcast from English society. Outcast here means, આઉટકાસ્ટ એટલે કે તમને જ્યારે સોસાયટીમાં સામેલ કરવામાં ન આવે, તમને જ્યારે સોસાયટીમાંથી એક બેદખલપણું જોવા મળે, એ રાઈટ, that is what he found in the English society. As he was knowing this reality that he did not become a part of this society forever, પણ તેમ છતાંય તમે કોઈ પણ નવી જગ્યાએ અભ્યાસ માટે પણ જાઓ છો, then also you may have realized કે આવા અનુભવોથી when you don't feel the involvement by certain people around you, then you definitely feel as an outcast in that particular society. તો એ કઈ રીતે જાણવા મળ્યું? His friends were insisting him to bring change in habits. Yes, not only in habits but in lifestyles. To feel at home in English society, they were demanding of, like they were insisting of, they were forcing him to bring change for the habits and for their lifestyle, for their conveniency of lifestyle. ગાંધીજીને એવો પણ આગ્રહ રાખતા કે તમે આ સોસાયટીને અનુરૂપ થવાની કોશિશ કરો. They wanted to bring change in their lifestyles. When one of his friends found that the Gandhiji started reading books on vegetarianism, then they worried about him. When one of his friends realized કે જ્યારે એના ફ્રેન્ડને ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે he started reading about the book on vegetarianism, તો કે આ વ્યક્તિમાં આટલો બધો ફેરફાર કે આટલું બધું નવું વાંચન એને એટલું બધું પ્રેરિત તો નહીં કરી જાય ને. સો અલ્ટિમેટલી he was worried about Gandhiji, and their worry ultimately turned like he will stop experiment everything for his life and perhaps he would become crank, કે આ બધું જ છોડીને એ ગાંડો તો નહીં થઈ જાય ને, રાઈટ. સો he was actually worried of his friend, like ગાંધીજી માટે એ ચિંતિત હતા, but still they were thinking like if he is living in London, then he has to live accordingly. So they were not happy from his behavior. So it was a kind of dissatisfaction from the side of him. Here I would say like it is about his identity. Here I would say it is about that people were expecting to change identity of Gandhiji, and Gandhiji was not that much mature enough in that particular point of time. He realized later on, after experiences everything, બધા જ અનુભવોમાંથી પસાર થઈને પછી એને એવું થયું કે I have done something wrong with myself. But when the essay starts, in the beginning of the essay, when it is about his habit of taking vegetarian food, or if it is about his lifestyle, then the change is not always suitable for a person. It was a kind of an expectation from them to bring change in Gandhiji, but Gandhiji was not ready mentally. He tried, he attempted, but he did not get success in his endeavor, that is effort. So it is like Gandhiji was thinking, but Gandhiji was not actually happy in implementing the things. Up till this, I again remind you કે મેં બે મુદ્દાની વાત કરી. When I started the essay, I started with the thinking of vegetarianism. It is developed in Gandhiji, કે ગાંધીજીએ વેજીટેરિયન આર્ટ પોતાનામાં ડેવલપ કરી. Second thing, it was about his friends insistence to bring change. ત્યાર પછીની વાત આવે છે the third episode, which is at હોલબર્ન રેસ્ટોરન્ટ એપિસોડ. હોલબર્ન રેસ્ટોરન્ટ કરીને એક જગ્યા છે કે જ્યાં ગાંધીજી અને એમના મિત્ર they have gone for the dinner. right? So, Gandhiji was actually very happy when he found this proposal by his friend. ગાંધીજીને જ્યારે એમના મિત્ર કહે છે એ કહેવા પાછળનું રીઝન શું, વોટ ઇઝ ધ રીઝન એકચ્યુઅલી બિહાઇન્ડ પુટિંગ અપ ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ પ્રપોઝલ, તો એ કારણ એ જ હતું કે ગાંધીજી ખરેખર એકચ્યુઅલી હી ઇઝ ફોલોઈંગ ધીસ વેજીટેરિયન હેબિટ ઓફ ટેકિંગ ફૂડ ઓર નોટ. એ વસ્તુ જોવા માટે એમના મિત્ર એવું વિચારે છે કે લેટ્સ ગો સમવેર ફોર ધ ડિનર સો દેટ Gandhiji, whether he is willing to take up something else or not, his friend wanted to verify. So here, in this episode, you will find something new. After knowing all this about Gandhiji, his friend wanted to make last effort, so he invited him at Holborn restaurant. ગાંધીજીને સમજાવવાના એને ઘણા પ્રયત્નો કર્યા કે તમે તમારી જાતને બદલો. એ બધા જ પ્રયત્નો નિરર્થક ગયા. When that all the efforts went in vain, then after he thought, let me take up a chance, considering as the last chance, and let me put up a proposal, let's go for the dinner. So he was invited, Gandhiji was invited at Holborn restaurant. Gandhiji was living in Victoria Hotel, so usually he did not like the service of that, so he said yes to his friend to go for the dinner at new place. Gandhiji, we all know કે ત્યાં ભણવા ગયા હતા, બેરિસ્ટર થવા ગયા હતા, right? Then he was living over there in the Victoria Hotel. વિક્ટોરિયા હોટલમાં એ રહેતા હતા. સો યુઝ્યુઅલી હી વોઝ વેરી મચ અવેર ફ્રોમ ધ સર્વિસ ઓફ વિક્ટોરિયા હોટલ, બટ he did not like the service over there. But one has to accept the reality that with which purpose one has gone over there. So he was adjusting himself in that hotel. But when he found this kind of proposal by his friend કે ચલો આપણે ક્યાંક બહાર જઈએ to take a dinner, so he said directly yes, and he liked this thing because he wanted to discover a new place. They were sharing the table and so many other people have come to that hotel for the dinner, so he has to be polite in his behavior. When they entered to the hotel, when they sitting over the near to the table, when they were sharing the table, Gandhiji found that there were so many people who were so busying themselves in taking dinner. There were number of people who have come to get fun, enjoyment, for a change. So he was becoming more conscious about this behavior of modesty and polite, that he has to remain polite in his behavior. So he did this thing. He was becoming more conscious, and then after it was a time to order something. So this kind of hesitation at the dinner table, was found in Gandhiji. Hesitation એટલે ખચકાટ. ખચકાટ શેના માટે? This was the hesitation regarding taking vegetarian food. This was the habit of usual way to live his life by taking vegetarian food. એટલે ગાંધીજીને મૂળ તકલીફ એ હતી that the first course was soup, that whether this soup is vegetarian or not. So he was worried about this particular thing, and he wanted to ask this thing to the waiter. So he was not having this kind of realization કે આ વસ્તુ પૂછવાથી એના મિત્રને કેવું લાગશે. Gandhiji was worried about the soup, that whether it would be vegetarian or not, but he was afraid about this to ask his friend or not, so he summoned the waiter. He summoned the waiter means he called the waiter. એ વેઇટરને બોલાવે છે. When he raised his hand, then his friend cautiously asked him, એના મિત્ર પૂછે છે, and what he actually asked, my friend saw the movement and sternly and directly he asked across the table and asked me about the matter. અને પછી એ મને પૂછે છે કે what actually you wanted to know, you want to know from the waiter, what is your inquiry, what you need to know, તારે શું પૂછવું છે, તારે શું કામ છે, એવું એને એના મિત્ર પૂછે છે. સો he was feeling hesitation not to ask to his friend about the soup because he has invited him for the dinner. એટલે એના મનમાં હેઝિટેશન હતું, એટલે એને વેઇટરને બોલાવીને પૂછવાની કોશિશ કરી. બટ actually, from this conversation we come to know that Gandhiji as well his friend, they were very straightforward to each other, right? They were actually having true friendship. એટલે પોતે કયા પ્રકારનું વ્યક્તિત્વ ધરાવે છે, they were very freely sharing to each other, that we come to know. With considerable hesitation, he told his friend that he wanted to ask about soup. With considerable hesitation એટલે સખત ડરતા ડરતા, અત્યંત કોન્શિયસ થઈને, ખૂબ જ ધ્યાન રાખીને, he put up such proposal that he wanted to ask about the soup. In response, his friend has uttered something which I have kept in the comma. Inverted comma માં લખેલા શબ્દો એમના મિત્ર દ્વારા બોલાયેલા શબ્દો છે. He has directly said this thing, you are too clumsy for decent society. English people, they were considering that society as a decent society. They have certain, or they had certain etiquettes, and they were believing like one has to adopt these all the etiquettes. જો તમે એ સોસાયટીમાં ફિટ થવા માગતા હો, then you must have to adopt certain decency in yourself. એટલે એને એના મિત્ર શું કહે છે? His friend, he suggested, he in fact declared, he said like, if you are too clumsy, you are too odd, you are so misfit, kind of a misfit for this particular society, કે તમે આ સોસાયટીને અનુરૂપ, કે તું આ સોસાયટીને અનુરૂપ નથી, you are not fitting to the society and for this decent society. કેવી સોસાયટી? તો કે decent સોસાયટીમાં તમે ફિટ થવાને અનુરૂપ નથી. His friend even said, included this thing, if you cannot behave yourself, you had better go. શું કહે છે? His friend said that if you are not able to behave in a proper way, then you had to better leave the society. So, if you are not suiting yourself in the society, as per the society, if you are not molding yourself, changing yourself, then you have no right to live in this society, you better leave the society. કે તારે આ જગ્યાએ રહેવું છે તો આ જગ્યાના અનુરૂપ તારે થવું પડશે. Otherwise, nobody will consider you, nobody will appreciate you, nobody will like you, right? So ultimately he wanted to say you better needed a change. Next is, feed in some other restaurant and wait for me outside. Gandhiji was delighted with this comment. After happening all this, ultimately his friend declared, what did he say? He said like, if you are not liking this particular place or the food, then you have to do what? You have to definitely feed yourself somewhere else who are serving only vegetarian food, and you better wait for me outside. તો કે તારે અહીંયા જમવું ન હોય તો તું બીજી જગ્યાએ જઈને જમી લે, and you can wait for me outside. Gandhiji was delighted after hearing this. He was completely happy. બહુ જ ખુશ થઈ જાય છે કે હાશ, I did not suffer, I did not want to join, or when he was not willing to join to to take such things which he was not liking, then he was ultimately very happy. And this was commented by his friend. There was vegetarian restaurant closed outside. There was vegetarian restaurant closed outside. So he found that another restaurant was there, but that restaurant was already closed. એ જોવે છે બહાર નીકળીને તપાસ કરે છે તો ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે ઓલમોસ્ટ બધા રેસ્ટોરન્ટ્સ બંધ થઈ ગયા હોય છે. નિયર અબાઉટ દેર વોઝ ઓનલી અ રેસ્ટોરન્ટ which was serving vegetarian food and it was found closed. So then what happened? Like he went back without food that night. પછી જમ્યા વગરના જ ઘરે પાછા આવી જાય છે. He failed to manage to take food and he came back. Again, he accompanied his friend at the theatre. After finishing this particular incident, or after this incident of Holborn, there was another incident, or there was another call from his friend, like he was inviting him for the theatre. એમના મિત્ર એમને ફરીથી એક વખત આમંત્રણ આપે છે કે ચલો આપણે થિયેટરમાં મૂવી જોવા જઈએ. There his friend did not utter a single word about the incident of the hotel. હોટલમાં જે કંઈ પણ બન્યું એના વિશે એમના મિત્ર એક પણ શબ્દનો ઉલ્લેખ કરતા નથી. He did not say anything about that incident. He forgot that incident completely. He was completely comfortable for the next time, for this particular time, and he was very much happy when he found Gandhiji on that particular place. That was the last friendly tussle that they had last night. એમને જે કંઈ પણ મીઠી ખટપટ એ દિવસે એ હોટલના એપિસોડમાં આપણે જે જોયું, that was the last friendly tussle that they had last night. After that they were so comfortable with each other. Why? Because when you know about your friend, you did not insist him. When you know about your near and dear one, then you don't insist. તમે એમને આગ્રહ કરવાનો પછી પ્રયત્ન છોડી દો છો, because you know about that person's reality, કે વાસ્તવિકતા તમે ઓળખી જાઓ છો કે ખરેખર really that fellow is in that particular style and living in that particular style. It never affected to the relationship. પછી તમને સંબંધોમાં ક્યાંય કોઈ જગ્યાની મુશ્કેલી આવતી નથી. You did not find any difficulty about that person, because you have adjusted, you have molded yourself, you have shaped yourself in that particular framework, that this is what your friend like and this is what your ultimate next person like. Gandhiji could see that their friends' love and efforts actuated, but their friends were really worried about Gandhiji, so they were insisting Gandhiji to bring certain type of changes, although having the differences in thought and action. ગમે તેટલા કાર્ય કે હોવા છતાં they actually demanding about the change in their action as well as in the lifestyle from Gandhiji, and they were actually insisting Gandhiji. Ultimately, Gandhiji decided something. આટલો બધો બદલાવ જો ગાંધીજી પાસેથી અપેક્ષિત છે તો ગાંધીજી અંતે વિચારે છે that yes, now this is the high time. In this I have to make certain changes in myself. This was Gandhiji's concern for his friends. Gandhiji decided that he should put him at ease. Gandhiji વિચારે છે that I have to definitely give them a kind of a comfort level and ease level, right? And how he is able to take up this level? He decided he would no more look like a clumsy fellow and cultivate his habit in polishing himself from food habit to dress or to dress up and overall speaking ability. Gandhiji decided to change himself from 3 criteria. and his criterias were like he has to cultivate the definite cultivate means to develop the habit of polishing himself. Through how? Polishing himself, like from speaking style, from wearing style means from dressing style, and from ultimately overall polishing that everybody was demanding from him. He did not want himself as a clumsy fellow. ક્લમ્ઝી ફેલો એટલે એવો વિચિત્ર દેખાતો કે એક ડિસન્સી એમનામાં નહોતી એવું એમને લાગતું હતું. સો દેટ ડિસન્સી હી વોન્ટેડ ટુ અડોપ્ટ. So he said to himself that now he is ready to adopt all these things. He is ready to adopt all these special abilities, and he is ready to play the role of an English gentleman. Right? Up till this, I think I need to complete the story in this session. I will be continuing this story in the next session on next week. હજુ સ્ટોરી બાકી છે. We have almost completed half of the story. The remaining part will continue in the next session. I wish you will revise. You will revise the thing. Whatever points I have discussed, how the essay starts, how the Gandhiji's habit of taking vegetarian food developed, later on about his change, about his Holborn episode. Later on, his friend invited him for the theatre, and then finally he arrived on a conclusion like he needed to bring major change in himself. હવે એ કઈ રીતે ઇંગ્લિશ જેન્ટલમેનનો રોલ પરફોર્મ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છે, that we will definitely see. We'll be looking forward in the next session. Thank you very much and have a nice day.